beautiful people. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Calvilyn and I am new to YouTube and this is my first video. So I have decided today to do a really simple, neutral, everyday makeup look, and it is going to be really good for my beginners who don't really know how to do makeup and want a very simple routine. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And also too, if you want to see more videos from me and you want to have a notification of when I upload, be sure to hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to start with my moisturizer, which is by Belief. It is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Next, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. That's what I'm using to prime my face, just up under the eyes and then in the T-zone area, so the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. So grabbing my beauty blender, which is clean, it's just, you know, a little stained, I'm going to take 2 pumps of my foundation, which is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm going to basically blend into my face, basically until my makeup looks like skin. So here I'm still blending. However, I wanted to point out, when you want a really natural look to your makeup and for it to be skin-like, I put whatever is left over on my sponge on my forehead to get that natural look. Next, I'm going to take my Nars matte concealer and I am going to go in with a concealer brush and just make a small triangle under my eyes with the concealer, and then I will move on to blending that out with the beauty blender. So to fill in my brows, I am using the NYX Build 'Em Up Powder Brow Filler. And fun fact, I actually found this on clearance in Target and decided to just try it out. Generally, I use their micro brow pencil, and that is my favorite. It's my go-to, but for this video I'm just trying this one out. So let me know if you like it in the comments below, or if you've tried it before and you have recommendations of how to use it, then let me know. define my brows, I am going to use a short, dense, yet a little bit fluffy of a brush, and it is a concealer brush. And what I'm going to do is utilize the Nars matte concealer that I have, and I'm going to outline the bottom part, and I'm going to gently go over the top part of my brows really lightly because I want them to look pretty natural since this is an everyday look. So now getting into the eye makeup look, I'm going to prime my eyes using, yet again, the Nars matte concealer. And what I'm going to do is to put that all over the lid, and then I'm going to set it with my L'Oreal True Match Super-blendable powder. And that is going to serve as the base for me to put my eyeshadow on top of. So to start off my eyeshadow look, I am using the BH Cosmetics palette, and I just dipped my large fluffy brush into a reddish brown color. And it doesn't really matter what, palette you use, as long as you have a color that's similar, you should get a similar effect. Next, I am going to grab my Urban Decay Smoky palette, and this is from the Naked line, and I am going to use a fluffy brush and use a dark brown color. I'm using the same brush from earlier, my large fluffy one, to basically go into a circular motion and blend out the reddish brown with the deep brown color. Grabbing my Smashbox Cover Shot Matte Eye Palette, I'm going to mix the purple and the brown together and apply that to my lid. And I'm going to keep on blending so that everything is smooth on the eye. grabbing my Smashbox palette again, I'm going to use a lighter blush color to go under the eyebrow on the brow bone, just to give a little bit of a highlight. Next, I'm going to start applying my lashes, and the lashes that I am wearing is the Opulent Mink Effect by Eylure. I love these lashes. They seem very natural. I always get compliments on them, so I definitely swear by these lashes. And I started having a little bit of trouble with the lash, but as you can see, I like get it together eventually and get the lash stuck on. But if you are having trouble with lashes, I completely understand. Sometimes it could be a work in progress. I like to do first is to apply the lash to the middle and then push on the back end closest to the outside of my face, and then pull in the inner corner of the lash to get a seamless look. But if you need me to do a tutorial on how I apply my lashes, then let me know and I got you. So after applying my lashes, I like to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is by L'Oreal. This is what they call the dupe to the Better Than Sex mascara, and I truly love it better than the Too Faced mascara. So if you haven't tried it, you should try it. So using my True Match Super-blendable powder, I am going to set my concealer using the powder and not bake the concealer in order to achieve a supernatural look. Here I am using my Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush. I really love this blush color. It looks really good on my skin tone. And the name of it is You Had Me at Merlot. It is so cute. I had to support my girl Riri, so I am using some Fenty Beauty, and this is the Matchstick in Cinnamon. That is what I am using to highlight my face. I am simply going to just dab a little bit of this on my highest parts of my cheekbone, and then I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow, and then a little bit in the corners of my mouth to simulate the glow effect. And I am going to then use a fluffy brush to blend that out so that it isn't stuck in like one certain area, but that it is truly highlighting my face and giving me a nice glow. Achieve my lip color, I am mixing a few things. I'm gonna start with the NYX lip liner, and that is an espresso, and then I'm going to put in the center of my lips the NYX lingerie in color French Maid, and then on top of that I'm going to set it off with a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is the finished makeup look. Let me know if you would like for me to do more videos like this. Thank you for watching.